Operon Strategist Regulatory Services. Operon Strategist is a medical device regulatory consultancy company which provides regulatory advisory and guidance to various manufacturers in the healthcare industry to ensure the strategic development of these manufacturers. Regulatory services we provide. We provide the clients with regulatory services that include CE marking, US FDA 510K and CDSCO. Let us speak about each briefly. CE. To acquire a medical device CE mark, the manufacturer must document the product quality, safety and performance. DHF. The preliminary requirement is the design history file DHF. Technical file. This creates a groundwork for the creation of technical file. With this we cover the product-specific requirements for CE marking. From the facility point of view, ISO 13485. ISO 13485 certification is a mandatory requirement for quality management system. Notified body. Submission of all the files are done to the notified body, who then audits the complete applications and certifies the product. FDA 510K. To acquire US FDA 510K, the manufacturer must document the product quality, safety and performance under the 510K dossier. The preliminary requirement is the design history file DHF. 510K dossier. This creates a groundwork for the creation of 510K dossier, as we have done with the CE marking technical file. From the facility point of view, 21 CFR Part 820. 21 CFR Part 820 is a mandatory requirement for quality management system. Government of USA. Submission of all the files are done to the Government of USA via online portal. US FDA then audits the complete applications and provide us with 510K clearance. In US FDA, the manufacturing facility is audited after the 510K within a stipulated time period. CDSCO. To acquire CDSCO, also known as Indian FDA, the manufacturer. Product details. Product details must document the product quality, safety and performance under the Device Master File, DMF. There are two stages for this license. One is test license and another is manufacturing license. ISO 13485. ISO 13485 certification is a mandatory requirement for quality management system. Government of India. Submission of all the files are done to the CDSCO via online portal, who then audits the complete applications and also audits the facility. Only upon complete assessment the license is issued. Design history file, DHF. The design history file is documentation that mentions the process of a new device with its finished device design history. The DHF presently has more importance since it is recognized as a key record containing design control documentation. This is the major part because your design controls are your records exhibiting your device/product is safe. DHF is most generally an extremely manual process, including old 3-ring folders, file organizers, and paper. It contains design and development planning, design inputs, design outputs, design review, design verification, design validation, design transfer, design changes, design history file. QMS. Quality Management System is the accumulation of all the activities done in a medical device manufacturing site to ensure the applicable standards of the product's safety, design etc. are followed for every medical device produced. The ISO 13485 standard provides an effective framework to meet the comprehensive requirements for a medical device's quality management system. For manufacturers and service providers, both comply and demonstrate their compliance with regulatory requirements. The requirements in ISO 13485 are used by suppliers or other external parties providing products or services to medical device manufacturers. On a similar terms, US FDA accepts 21 CFR 820 as a standard for QMS. It helps manufacturers to build and follow quality systems to help assure that their products consistently meet applicable requirements and specifications. Technical file. Technical file or 510K dossier or device master file documentation helps demonstrate that the device is compliant with the regulatory requirements and all the processes of the manufacturing. It is a comprehensive collection of information and data that details everything about your medical device. It includes drawings, reports, review reports, specifications, meeting minutes, labels, instructions for use, software source code etc. It is a set of documents that describes a product and can prove that the product was designed according to the requirements of the QMS. Approval process. File. The medical device related document for CE, US FDA and CDSCO have adequate data for the respective agencies to audit and approve. Submissions. This document is submitted to either a notified body in case of CE, or to FDA for 510(k), or to CDSCO for manufacturing license. Approvals. These are the regulatory bodies which reviews the files and may have certain queries or observations for the documents. Upon successful justifications to the queries, they issue the approval in their respective ways.